Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is the day 2 for the topic related to the tax planning. So as I said in my previous video, the one of the student is getting confused, right, what to write in this kind of question in the exam. So as I already explained the one topic, so today is the day 2 of this topic. So today we will discuss jointly on property. If any married couple or the civil partner jointly on any source of income, so in that case what we can suggest is, so general rule to distribute those income is 50-50 percentage, right? So if any spouse or civil partner jointly on any source of income, in that case the general rule is to distribute the source of income into 50-50 percentage. However, that partner or that couple can make an election that they want to distribute the income according to their percentage of the ownership, right? So they can do so, but this tax planning cannot be done in case of the joint bank account, because in that case the income generating should be split 50-50 percentage, right? And one more thing, in case of the share of the closed company, in case of the share of closed company, dividend should be if they are getting the dividend, in that case it should be distributed according to the percentage of the ownership, not according to the general rule. So now summary is that if any married couple or civil partner jointly on any source of income like interest income, dividend income, or the property income, anything, the general rule is to distribute those income 50-50 percentage. But what in this case, if we are using the general rule, in that case we will ignore the actual percentage of the ownership. And but if they want to claim according to the actual percentage of the ownership, in that case they need to make a election. And but this tax planning cannot be done in case of the interest income. In that case they need to distribute the income according to the 50-50 percentage. And in case of the share of the closed company, dividend income should be distributed according to the percentage of the ownership. So this is for the regarding the tax planning regarding the jointly earned income. Thank you so much for watching.